Well, income growth in Singapore has slowed amid economic headwinds. The Manpower Ministry's advanced labour figures show workers earned 2.2% more in June. That's compared to the 4.4% growth last year. Now, some experts say while real median income is slower, it's still ahead of inflation.
As wages in Singapore grows at a slower pace, the resident employment rate was slightly higher at 80.8% in June compared to the 80.3% a year ago. More residents found jobs in professional services such as the finance, insurance and info communications sectors. An economist CNA spoke to says wages have outpaced inflation and the numbers paint a positive picture for the economy.
The real median income for Singapore has actually increased, although somewhat slower compared to 2018 numbers. But I think what's important to note for the viewers is that during the global financial crisis of 2008-2009, we actually saw real median income falling. And for that matter, the positive growth that we've seen in the real median income for 2019, it's actually encouraging despite the fact that global growth and domestic growth has been slowing.
The resident unemployment rate has remained low in June 2019, and the unemployment rate for professionals, managers, executives and technicians, or PMETs, held steady at 2.9%. However, external factors like the US-China trade conflict continue to affect Singapore's manufacturing output. This caused the non-PMET unemployment rate to increase from 4% a year ago to 4.7% in June this year. Manpower Minister Josephine Teo says companies are putting in effort and are seizing opportunities in this slower phase to build up their capabilities.
Today's situation isn't quite a thunderstorm. I think maybe one way of describing it is that it's a persistent showers, but with pockets of sunshine. When you look hard enough, you'll see that there are companies that are also doing well. There are sectors that are humming along. We still see companies hiring workers, and as a result, local employment has continued to grow. Even in sectors such as manufacturing, which have been really more affected by the current trade tensions and the economic uncertainties, you will still find companies that are hiring. So overall, in manufacturing, we found that in June 2019, there were still about 6,000 vacancies.
Economists say industrial production has bottomed out in the past 2 months. And if global trade issues can be resolved, Singapore's exports would likely improve next year as production picks up going into 2020. The Manpower Ministry will release its official labour report on 31st of January next year.